Assalamualaikum, my name is Rabia and I'm from Pakistan. Okay, I have created this channel Let's Build Chemistry to clear the concept of students regarding chemistry. So this is my first lecture regarding chemistry, and in this lecture I will give you the introduction about chemistry. So first of all, what is chemistry or what is the study of chemistry? So chemistry is the study of four things basically: structure of compound, composition of compounds, reactions given by compounds, properties of compounds, and uses of compounds. Compounds means chemical compounds or any chemical. So in chemistry we study the structure of compound or structure of chemical, its composition, that by how many elements or which kind of element it is made up of. For example, if we talk about carbon dioxide, then its composition is carbon and oxygen. Chemical reactions given by compounds or any element, properties, these properties may be physical properties or chemical properties, and the last but not the least, uses of chemical compounds in our daily life. So basically chemistry is the study of structure, composition, chemical reactions, properties and uses of chemical compounds, substances, elements and anything. So in introduction I will give you some brief introduction related with the branches of chemistry. So there are some branches of chemistry. First one is physical chemistry, which deals with the physical properties and their effect on chemical properties. Physical properties like mass, color, heat, temperature given by chemical compounds or elements, and why these physical properties changes or how they based on their chemical properties. For example, when in a chemical reaction some precipitates are given out or heat is produced or color changes occur, so these are related with the physical properties of matter. Second branch is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of covalent compound of carbon and hydrogens or hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Now, covalent compounds means that carbon and hydrogens or their derivatives are combined with each other with the help of covalent bond, and you know that in covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electron, and it is basically the study of hydrocarbons. Means in organic compounds there must be carbon and hydrogen. There may be hydrocarbons and their derivatives, means other elements can also be present. For example, in glucose or in carbohydrate, along with carbon and hydrogen, oxygen is also present, but basically hydrogen and carbon must be there. Third branch of chemistry is inorganic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry include all other compounds except organic compounds and their derivatives. Means all the compounds except organic compounds are inorganic compounds. For example, carbon dioxide, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, these all are inorganic compound. So next one is biochemistry. Bio means living and chemistry means study of chemical reactions. So biochemistry actually is the branch of chemistry which deals with the chemical compounds or chemical reactions occurring inside the living body. And if you have little knowledge about biology, then you know that the chemical reactions which are occurring in living organisms are known as their metabolism. So these metabolic reactions are studied under biochemistry. Okay, next one is industrial chemistry, and industrial chemistry related with the chemical reactions and synthesis of chemical compounds or any compound which is made up by different chemicals. Their study on commercial scale is known as industrial chemistry. For example, if we study about the detergent or the production of soap, you know that in the production of soap sodium hydroxide is used. So sodium hydroxide, their chemical reactions and the synthesis of soap on the commercial scale is studied under industrial chemistry. Similarly, water purification, air purification, all these will studied under industrial chemistry. Next one is environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry is the study of effect of chemical reactions or human activities which affect the environment in different ways. So in environmental chemistry, for example, if we want to study or if we want to know about the effect of cutting of trees and the production of more carbon dioxide on environment, then it will be studied under environmental chemistry. Similarly, the depletion of ozone layer or reduction in ozone layer is studied under environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry further includes many branches like geochemistry, hydrological chemistry, lithochemistry. These all studied under environmental chemistry. Next branch is analytical chemistry, and this is very important branch of chemistry because it almost includes in all other branches of chemistry, because in analytical chemistry we study the separation and analysis of chemical compound. It depends on two things. Number one is separation of component from the compound, and then their analysis. So in each branch of chemistry we can use analytical, or we use analytical chemistry. The analysis is of two types: qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. In qualitative analysis we just determine the component of a compounds, that a compound contains how many types of components. But in quantitative analysis, the exact amount, mass, volume, or any exact amount of a element which is present in a compound will be measured. Next one is nuclear chemistry. It deals with the reaction of nucleus for producing energy and its use in different fields, in daily life, for energy production, for electricity production, or for the making of a bomb. These all are related with the energy production, and this energy is produced by the chemical reaction of nucleus. Now, nucleus show two types of reaction. They may be produced energy by fission reaction. In fission reaction, nuclei is broken down, or heavier nuclei is broken down into smaller nuclei and produce a huge amount of energy, while in fusion reaction, two lighter nuclei or more lighter nuclei join together and produce energy. Both of these reactions are related with nucleus, and both of these are used for producing energy. Now we will talk about some more branches of chemistry. Okay, now we will talk about some advanced branches of chemistry, and the top of this is coordination chemistry. Maybe you have any idea about coordination chemistry if you are studying at high level. So coordination chemistry basically deals with the coordination compounds of transition metal. Basically this coordination chemistry deals with the d block elements, which are also called as transition elements or transition metals. In coordination compounds, or in coordination chemistry, we studied the how transition metals are coordinated or make bonds with other compounds. So it is a very advanced branch of chemistry, and it covers a very vast sciences. So next branch is electrochemistry. It is also very important and useful branch of chemistry, and it is mostly important on industrial level. So electrochemistry, we study the relationship between electrical energy and chemical reactions. Either by providing electrical energy, chemical reactions are occurring, or by the production of, or by the making of chemical reactions, electrical energy is produced. In this branch we study two type of things: either electrical energy is produced by chemical reactions, or chemical reactions are done with the help of providing electrical energy. So it is also a very vast branch of chemistry. Next one is solid state chemistry. It is a modern and very useful branch of chemistry. In solid state chemistry we study the synthesis, chemical reactions, and uses of materials which are present in solid state. Basically this branch mostly used in electronics, where we study about the diodes and conductors, semiconductors. So these all are the solid state chemistry. Next branch is phytochemistry, and if you have a little knowledge about plants, and you know that in plants phytochromes are and many other pigments are present. So phytochemistry, and phyto word is basically used for plants. So phytochemistry is the chemistry of plants, plants processes, and plants products. In biochemistry we also study about plants, but when we talk about phytochemistry, it means we are specifically talking about the chemistry of plants, their processes, means glycolysis or Krebs cycle or any other processes, and their products. TK means their rubber, gums, etc., carotenes, phytochromes, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, these all are the plant's products. Next one is agrochemistry, and as the name indicate, it is related with agriculture. So in agrochemistry basically we study about the chemicals which and these chemicals comprised of fertilizers, pesticides, and all the chemicals which are used for the protection and for the growth of plant. Next one is astrochemistry, and in astrochemistry is a chemical study of space. So in astrochemistry we study about the chemical reactions which are occurring in space, either they are occurring in sun or in any star, planet, or any other celestial body. Next one is spectroscopy, and it is also a very vast branch, and it is used in almost every branch of chemistry, and it is very important and very useful branch of chemistry. So in spectroscopy, with the help of light and with the use of light of specific wavelength is used for studying properties of chemical compounds. Spectroscopy is further divided into 4 different types according to the mode of instrument which we are using. It may be a mass spectrometry, it may be infrared spectroscopy, it may be ultraviolet spectroscopy, or it may be a NMR spectroscopy or nuclear magnetic resonance. Last one is green chemistry, and it is very useful, and it is the need of time. Then we utilize and we bring more focused on the use of green chemistry and have more knowledge about green chemistry, because in green chemistry we study about the design of chemical products or processes that reduce or eliminate the use and generation of hazardous substances, so we can make our environment clean and less pollution will be produced. So it was all about the branches of chemistry. I hope you have learned so much from my first lecture. In the next lecture we will talk about some basic terms which are used in chemistry, and then we will choose a topic, and I will deliver a complete lecture on that topic to you. So if you want to gain any knowledge regarding any topic or want to understand any concept by my videos, so you can tell me in the comment section, and you can also give me some suggestions regarding videos or lectures etc. आप मुझे ये भी बता सकते हैं if you want to take my lectures in Urdu, because basically I am from Pakistan, so I also deliver lectures in Urdu. So please do like my channel, subscribe my channel if you and if you have any query or you want to learn something from my channel, then please tell me. Thank you.